Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Airbyte connectors for fast data integration, complete guide step by step clearly. On the home page, navigate. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of available connectors. Click on the connector to view its details and specifications. Review the connector's documentation to understand its functionalities and prerequisites. Once you are ready, look for the subscription option. This option is typically located in the connector details section. Click on the subscription link to initiate the process. You may be prompted to create an account if you haven't already. Complete the account registration form with your details. Once your account is created, log in to access your dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Connectors panel. Select the Add Connector option. Choose the connector you want from the list of available options. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the connector settings. Specify your data source and destination details. Review the configurations to ensure everything is correct. You will receive a confirmation notification once the process is complete. Monitor your connector's performance directly from the dashboard. Regularly check for updates and new connectors in the Airbyte ecosystem. This will help you optimize your data integration processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.